Do you think you can do that for me?
Yeah, I opened it.
Okay, can you open it up? We're going to do lemon squares first. So do you want to say what you're going to say to the camera? What do you say? Oh, do you want, oh, here, before we do this, did you wash your hands?
When I had the dirt on my hands, I washed my hands.
Let me see them. You know, I think we should go ahead and wash our hands.
Is that mine?
Does that say Zahra?
Zahra? Zahra, who are we cooking with?
Cooking with Zahra. Cooking with Zahra.
Okay, can you look at the camera and say that?
Hold on.
Cooking with Zahra.
Here we go.
Cooking with Zahra. The first time. One, two, three, go. Stop.
All right, let's wash our hands really good.
This is Cooking with Zahra, everyone.
Okay, go again.
This is Cooking with Zahra, everyone. And tomorrow, we're going to bake stuff for lunch. And that, we're giving you a clue. It'll be with me and Zahra. Guess what number it'll be. Guess what number it'll be, guys. And we'll send tomorrow's up to your house. That's what I said.
Okay.
Running. Steady. Let's go.
Do you want your hat on? Your hat fell out.
Film on.
Okay, let me help you.
Make yourselves hand melt too. Thank you.
Oops.
Oopsie. I don't get me.
There we go.
Okay.
You get a chef's hat for me?
I don't have a chef.
All right, Chef Zahra.
Film on.
Chef Zahra, can you tell us what we're doing here? Who are we cooking with?
Zahra.
Okay, can you tell me that?
Can you say cooking with Zahra?
Cooking with Zahra.
What are we cooking today, Zahra?
Brownie.
Oh, but what are we doing right here? What is this?
Lemon.
Lemon bars. Out of the box.
Zahra, can you use this as your helper?
Who's your helper today, Zahra?
Mom.
Awesome. Okay, we gotta turn the oven on first to 350 degrees. Okay, let's see, we have to decide. I think this is the crust, and this is the filling. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is put the pan over here.
I want to make it. I want to put them in.
You will, but we're gonna use the bowl first, right? Okay, so I need you to put this one in the bowl once I got it open, okay? There you go. Put that all in the bowl.
All of them?
Uh-huh. Now remember, this is for our family for Easter tomorrow, so we don't stick our fingers in and lick it, okay? All right. Don't pour that one in. We gotta, that's for something else. We're gonna press that into the bottom. It's the crust. Okay, so we need that. We need a third of a cup of water.
I can put the water in.
I'm gonna get the water for you. Okay, there you go. Can you pour the water in? Thanks, baby.
Whoa.
Whoa. Okay, and now we're gonna put 3 eggs in.
It's melting.
What's that?
It's melting.
It's melting?
Yeah.
Well, that's good. I think we want it to melt, baby.
I think the lid is enough so it will be tasty.
Okay, hun. Are you gonna smell the eggs, make sure they're okay?
Yeah.
All right. Have at it. Smell? Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, pour it in.
Pour.
Okay, now I'm gonna have you, sorry, just a minute. Oh shoot, all our little mixers we used for breakfast this morning. Let me wash one real quick, okay?
Okay. I'm going to shake it so it will be okay. So, I shake this. I fell. Okay.
Okay. So can you mix that up really good? You gotta break the egg apart. Do you know what I mean by that? Jab it. Good job. Okay, mix it up really good.
Mix. We want it to be tasty.
We want it to be tasty, that's right.
Yeah, our whole family gets it.
Because our whole family gets it.
Whoa, it's turning that out.
Is it turning yellow? I think it's gonna be yellow, honey.
Because it's lemon.
Because it's lemon, that's right.
Do we need any
Are you
more?
joining us, Ayla?
I got them with my...
Awesome. You need to wash your hands first. Okay, can you wash them without the chair? Alright.
Wait, I actually need a chair.
Well, here, I know you.
I want the chair.
Okay.
Done. I told Mommy.
Okay. Alright. Oh, nice mixing job. Okay, can you add the other one?
It's
Oh,
good.
is it good? Okay, pour it in.
Four.
Alright, mix.
Smush. Smush it first.
Smush it first, that's right.
Smush. Mix.
That looks funky, doesn't it?
Mix. Mom, I'm doing great.
You are doing great. Good job there, honey.
Look at it, hiding because I'm mixing it.
It's hiding because you're mixing it? Good job.
But I can see the eggs. That's fun.
You can see the eggs?
Okay.
Alright.
That.
We have one more to do.
Thank you. Know that the other egg is going to hide? That's because I smushed it. Oh no, I want to do the egg.
Well, hey, you can do the ones for the brownies, okay? Alright. Did you wash your hands really good? Alright.
No spots left.
No spots left, no dirt in the fingernails or anything. Let's see them. That one looks great. Good job, honey. Okay.
I didn't even play in the sandbox.
Did you wash your face too? You did a great job.
I drank.
Oh,
And
you.
that's how I wash my face.
Okay. Do you want to put this stuff on?
Chef Ayla. Dad. Hope you guys
Is it all mixed up?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next thing we have to do is we just set that aside. Oh, sorry.
My M&M test.
Your what?
My M&M test.
What was your M&M test?
I had to use my M&Ms to make the certain number orders.
Oh, you did? How did it turn out?
Good.
Cool. Okay, Chef
If there
Ayla.
was a queen and king.
Okay. So the next instructions on the box say press. Oh, it says set it aside. Set it over here. Okay. Then this says press ready mix crust dry
I'll do
in the
that.
bottom of an ungreased square pan. Okay. Now
I'll do that.
you can both do that. Okay. I will cut it open.
Give me half first.
Actually, I'm just gonna put it in here. And I want you guys to
Smush it
press, well, you need to make it flat on the bottom, even and flat, okay? Can you do that?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. It needs to cover the whole bottom like a crust. And it needs to be even and flat.
Even and flat.
Even and flat, that's right.
Now guys, we're gonna pat. Let's pat. Let's pat. So, ready? Okay. See that we covered the whole thing? That's because this is the whole thing.
How's it looking? Okay, yeah, we've got a little bit of a bump here. Oops, sorry about that, guys. We need to even it out.
What's this? Slap that out.
Yeah, you just gotta move it around. So if you have areas where you have too much, You guys did a good job though. There's, right, that's right. Okay, so this goes over there. And you know, the good news is, what does that noise mean?
It's time.
It's time, that's right. It means that it's time to cook it. Okay, I think.
But what about?
Oh, well, you first bake the crust, okay? So with lemon bars, you first bake the crust. Alrighty.
Can we
Okay.
start baking the brownies?
I don't know if we'll be able, we might, if it's the same temperature, we'll be able to. Okay. Okay, we gotta bake it for 10 minutes. Are you gonna put your finger hole in it?
No.
No? Okay.
I was just make sure.
Alright.
My hat.
Uh-oh. There you go. Okay, and I'll take those scissors. Alright, so 10 minutes.
Now we're about to cook the crust for our lemon bars.
That's right. So kitchen timer, 10 minutes. Okay, we have that set.
I made this.
Okay, guys, are your fingers all dirty?
No.
No? Oh, Zahra. No, leave it in there, please.
Okay. I'll leave this here and we got it.
I think we'll use the other ones to, I think we'll use something else to mix the brownies. I think we'll use something thicker. Oh, what's up with your hat?
Keeps.
All right, let's see how much you have to bake brownies at. Oh, same temperature. Okay, that's cool. Okay, that's good. Okay, perfect. We're gonna put the lemon bar stuff up here. Okay, so now, let's see, what size?
Mom, can I help?
Yeah, you both can. I'm just trying to look at the...
It doesn't let me help. Zahra!
Hey, goodness, we don't... Stop yelling at each other. What's going on here?
She pinched me.
Zahra, did you pinch your
And
sister?
now she's stepping on my foot.
Okay, Zahra, what is going on here?
She wants to go by herself with you.
Okay, here's the deal. We're not going to do this, okay? We're not going to get mad at each other. All right?
Sorry, people. We call them people.
Oh, we call them people.